Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Mapenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Esperance 0. I'm joined by Asanda.
It's Thibo, Grant.
I'm Nandi, member.
Yeah, I'm back. It's Thibo. Sengibuyile.
Yeah.
Bengisathe ngapha emakhaya ngiyoba
Ladies
bona
me.
kancane yangithola. Ngale kwelakithi ngakombokasi.
Njani umama?
Hayi man, hayi basaphila ekhaya.
Umama
Ekhaya bayaphila impela Thibo. No Thibo asingene egaming. Okokuqala angiqale nje ngibongela iSundowns for progressor because abawinanga igame. Ba progressile to semi final. Very controversial semi-final fixture especially kule game namhlanje yangithola quarter final yes so ngithi nje angivele angiphakamise le point lokuthi I think Thibo we are lacking lento yama goals la kwi CAF and this thing I don't know ukuthi ngafixeka kanjani. I mean singa discuss the whole week indaba ye offside Esperance ukuthi leya goal lelana it was a goal, it was not a goal. It was just one goal. What about the other chances? Yangithola, did you score? Yangithola. That's the first thing esoyibuza yona ukuthi okay, when you get a chance uyakora yini yangithola. But ke sizothini, it's football. Ngene nje phakathi kwi game uyabona ukuthi iEsperance they came to the game, they were playing at home. They understood ukuthi if we don't score la or if we don't progress, if we do not play ball like ekhaya we won't progress to semi-final yangithola. But ba understand ukuthi okay, it's Mamelodi Sundowns. They played us at home. At their home, but it was not a good game for bona, especially if ubheka ukuthi baze ngale mentality ye CAF. Most of the time ama teams when they are playing away they just defend. We focus more on consider ama goals which we don't concede, but at the same time you can't see ukuthi mabe attack kanjani. But if ubheka Sundowns, they allowed them, okay, they had this mentality okay, let us allow them to play. If uzobheka this guy bedlala 6 ya number 14, I think it's Odd gave something kanjalo. Yeah, yaseNigeria le ntwana le bedlala 6 le ntwana lana ibikwazi ukuthi collect ball. How many teams la South Africa edlala now angakhona ukuthi alanda iball emuva when they are playing against Sundowns? No much pressing. They didn't want to ukuthi by destroy this team because they understood ukuthi okay, we are leading by a goal. But if ubheka lento namayitholi iball ibheka ama fullbacks abadlala ngawo, especially their captain, bekakwazi ukuthi afike to a half ye Mamelodi Sundowns, which is something that is very very rare when you are playing against Mamelodi Sundowns, ukuthi you see a fullback idlala phambili. And mawubheka ukuthi fullback mayidlala phambili cabanga ama wingers lawa adlalayo ukuthi lama wingers ayi2 kushuthi nabo they are adding more numbers. But if ubheka a boxing, their box, they didn't add numbers. That's the first thing engibonile, it was error abayenzile. If ubheka ibhola because will circulator especially ngaphakathi ukuthi basuse mover balifaka spacing, especially if ubheka le ntwana ya number 11, khona le number 11 is like uRibeiro wabo le amchitha lo yangithola. He's one of the most experienced players kwi Tunisia, kwi lesa squad eSperance de Tunisia. Idlala seFrance kwi Brest. If ubheka ukuthi amabhola amaningi especially second half bebaphasela yena ukuthi ayenze izinto zenzeka. I think he made so many crosses inside but angatholi umuntu. What is the problem ukuthi kwi Sundowns mayifaka ama crosses, it's like 4 players eMamelodi Sundowns akhona kwi box and ubheka Esperance is like 2 amanye ame ngaphandle. Why focusing much on attack at the same time you are trying to defend? Yangithola uzokora kanjani ama goal ufuna u defend at the same time you are attack. You have to make a decision ukuthi it's either an attacker or it's either a defender. But you understand the pressure ama fans. I think it was the pressure ama fans that made them ukuthi okay namhlanje let's just play football. Especially first half, first minutes of ball if game ubonile ukuthi they got a chance, they are saving 0 runs. I think that was their first shot on target and the second shot on target I don't remember clearly ukuthi, but it was 2 shots on target the whole game. And they are playing at home. 2 shots on target now with Sundowns. but they are playing away. So it tells you something, Thibo, ukuthi there's something that needs to improve with African football. Yeah, so we progress to the semi-finals. It doesn't guarantee you ukuthi we are playing good football. I think most of the teams sebedlalile ukuthi masterishile lento ukuthi we are just winning the game more than just playing. If you pair even about Orlando Pirates, it's the same thing. How we score, how we get to the box, but at the same time we are defending. And the Pegu Sundowns, ukuthi gonna play njengo Divine Lunga. Divine Lunga, I think first half we played very well dealing with this guy ebi overlay pa izama ukuthi izofaka ama crosses. I think he got like 2 chances ukuthi afaka ama crosses inside. But second half lentwana leya number 11 yaphakama. That is where you see asedlalisa umdawu kakhulu ukuthi athole lama 1v1 lawe bezama ukumcreatela wona the whole game, because aim yabo bekuthi la midfield is hold the ball so that we can attract Sundowns, especially abo Adams, Allende and Mkwen. When we attract them, we understand ukuthi abo Khuliso Mudau we try ukuthi nabo bebe narrow to each other bonke as a defense line Sundowns. Then these guys abane 1v1 la idlala ka left ne idlala ka right, ngithola, so that they can pass the ball bamazi ukuthi une space, but decision making njoba kutshela Sithibo ibashayile kakhulu. It was a decision making. If they had a quality striker, I don't know that guy, but isasemncane, I think 21 years le bidlala as a striker. Uzodlala against Sundowns uzofaka strike esincane kangaka. There's a player dlala number 9 ebise benchini akazange ayifaka. I don't know why ba bench Elias Mokwana. I think for me bomdinga kule game le ukuthi azodlala kule game kanje, especially when we have the ball. I think he's one of those players who are very dangerous when we are playing with the ball uliphethe ngithola. Then off the ball mawukuthi team defender, then you don't need him. If ubheka ukuthi kufaka kwi first leg bamdlalisile, he was not in the game. He was not playing well because they were focusing on defensive duties ngithola. So it's that kind of football ukuthi most of the teams they focus on defending much more than attacking. Ngithola Sithibo. So mina mangiyibuka le semi-final abaya kuyona, I can say they are facing Al Ahly. Sure. But it's a bit difficult one for Cardoso. Even Nale, it was a very, very difficult one. If you bear with he almost getting inside the pitch. Bemela. Boyithu bebemela nalo coach bebemela uyabona ukuthi bazama ukuthi ba coach the whole game, but ukhuluma ne player ngale uzama ukufama instructions ngithola, because it was a tough game, not yena kuphela uKardos, even nama assistant akabo Steve Kompela nale enye out lemhlophe elia out ngazathi inale arrogant le ePetronabe fohloza kusufohloza leyani ile hamba no Cardos ile hamba no Cardos leyani yamemeza ngathi yona icoach most of the time, because uKardos unokurelax sometimes umbona ukuthi hayi ngathi uya relax, but le 90 minutes ihleze edinamba ngithola. But ke Sithibo ngiyayibongela iSundowns ukuprogress. It's a very good thing for South African football, especially Pirates nayo idlala kusasa ukuthi if they beat this team MC Alger, they are progressing to semi-final. They are playing an Egyptian team, Pyramids. 15 mile le funa Chiefs. Le 15 mile. Awuyazi. Njengamanje angazi bamfayile beat what, but contest khulunywayo la. But I don't think bazomthola because we are busy. Yazi Chiefs ayizana nama players abizayo. But Sithibo ngiyayibongela kakhulu iMamelodi Sundowns for win progress to the next stage. Sizobona ukuthi mabefika kwi semi-finals benze njani.
Man of the match fast.
Man of the match I think ngizoyinikeza uRonza for ukwazi ukuthi akhave every ibhola lelebeleqa phela lamabhola beyingozi, because nalela goal nala malibheka ukuthi lithe yangithola beyingozi, and beka aware, especially first half beka aware of everything lebiyenzeka lapha nama saves ke la kawenzile nokukwazi ukuthi aoni box yangithola but guys Sithibo danko
ngiyabonga Jaya.